In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a bank account with Monese. It's nice and easy to do, and Monese is probably one of the easiest banks to set up with as well, especially online. And on top of that as well, if you use my referral code, which I'll leave in the description and on screen, you'll be able to get up to a £10 bonus for simply just signing up and following the steps. So the first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to download the Monese app, and I'll leave a link below to download it in the description. Then once you've downloaded the app, you should be welcomed with this page here. So if we just say next, you can see from here we can then go ahead and set up our new bank account. So for the first step, you'll just need to enter some details. That includes your email address and the country you're based in. And to be eligible for the £10 sign up bonus, this is where you can enter my referral code, which again I'll leave in the description and on screen so you can just easily copy it in. And then once you've done that, you'll then just need to set up your new passcode and then just verify the email address. Then for the next step, you'll just need to verify your phone number. So they should send a text for you to be able to do that. And then from there, you'll just need to enter your address. And then make sure you just confirm it at the bottom here. And then now you'll just be able to confirm which bank account you want. So for example, the choices we've got here, we can either set up a British one, a European one, or a Romanian one. But of course, you will need to be a resident of wherever you're trying to set up a bank account. So for this example, because we're from the UK, we'll go ahead and select the United Kingdom. And then once you've done that, you'll then just need to confirm your identification, either with a residence permit card, driver's license, or passport. So for this example, let's say driver's license, and then from there, you'll just need to take a photo of it, along with a photo of yourself, just to confirm that they match. And then once you've done that, it'll just take some time to confirm. And if it's happy with your ID, it will then take you through to this step here, where it will just ask you a few questions. But these questions are nice and easy, and it will just ask you simple stuff, like what do you intend to use the bank account for? For example, is it a primary account or a secondary account? Then it'll ask you how often you'll be transferring money in. So just fill out these details with the most accurate answer possible. And then for the next step, it might ask you about international transfers. And then it may ask you if you plan to top up €5,000 or more every month. Then for the next step, it'll ask you about your employment status and just what industry you're in. And then next up, it'll ask you about your yearly income. And then it will just ask you to confirm where you pay your taxes. And then next up, it will just ask you to confirm how you intend to add money. So that could be from transferring money in from another account or receiving a salary. Then it will just ask you to confirm your nationality, and you can use the drop down menu here to find it. So again, for this example, we'll go with the United Kingdom. And then once you've done that, you just need some time for it to process your new bank account. And then it will give you the option to select which package you want. But of course, if you want to keep it simple, you can always go with the basic option at the bottom here. And then next up, you'll be asked if you want a virtual card. So you can go ahead and select yes if so. And then once you've done that, it will then open you up to the dashboard of your new bank account. And it is literally as simple as that. In regards to your sign up bonus, this is paid out in 2 steps. So for the first step, you'll need to order a physical card and make at least 1 transaction on that new card. And if you do that, you'll get your first £5. And then for the second £5, you'll receive that once you've made at least £500 worth of transactions with your new bank card. But again, in regards to the sign up bonus, I'll be leaving instructions in the description in further detail on how you can claim that. If you found this video helpful, please do leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.